What time do you wake up, Laura?
I wake up at 6 o'clock.
Do you feel sleepy?
A little, but I'm ready to start my day.
What's the first thing you do in the morning?
I open my eyes and smile.
Do you make your bed?
Yes, I make my bed every morning.
What color is your blanket?
My blanket is pink.
Who wakes you up?
My mom wakes me up.
What do you say to your mom in the morning?
I say, "Good morning, Mom."
Do you like mornings, Mike?
Yes, mornings make me happy.
What do you see outside your window?
I see the sun and the trees.
Do you stretch after waking up?
Yes, I stretch my arms and legs.
What sound do you hear in the morning?
I hear birds singing.
Is it sunny today?
Yes, it's a bright, sunny day.
Do you check the time?
Yes, I look at the clock.
What do you wear after waking up?
I wear my school uniform.
Do you like your uniform?
Yes, it's blue and white.
Do you help your mom in the morning?
Yes, I help her set the table.
What do you say to your dad in the morning?
I say, "Good morning, Dad."
How do you feel this morning?
I feel great and ready to learn.
What day is it today?
It's Monday.
Are you ready for school?
Yes, I am ready.
What do you eat for breakfast, Laura?
I eat bread and eggs.
What do you drink, Mike?
I drink milk.
Do you like milk?
Yes, milk makes me strong.
Who cooks breakfast?
My mom cooks breakfast.
Do you eat with your family?
Yes, we eat together.
What's your favorite breakfast food?
I love pancakes.
Do you say thank you after eating?
Yes, I say thank you, Mom.
Do you wash your hands before eating?
Yes, always.
Is your breakfast sweet or salty?
It's a little sweet.
What color is your cup?
My cup is yellow.
Do you talk while eating?
Yes, we talk about school.
Who eats faster, Laura or Mike?
Mike eats faster.
What fruit do you like in the morning?
I like bananas.
Do you clean your dishes after eating?
Yes, I help clean the table.
Do you feel full after breakfast?
Yes, I'm full and happy.
What does your breakfast smell like?
It smells yummy.
Do you watch TV during breakfast?
No, I talk with my family.
What's on your breakfast table?
Bread, milk, and fruit.
Do you like rice for breakfast?
Sometimes, yes.
What do you say before you leave the table?
I say, "I'm finished, thank you."
How do you go to school?
I walk to school.
Who do you go with?
I go with my friend Mike.
What do you take to school?
I take my bag and books.
What's inside your bag?
My pencils, books, and lunch.
What subject do you like most?
I like English.
Who is your teacher?
My teacher is Miss Anna.
What do you say to your teacher?
Good morning, teacher.
Do you write in class?
Yes, I write in my notebook.
Do you read stories?
Yes, we read fun stories.
What color is your classroom?
It's yellow and green.
Do you play with friends at school?
Yes, during break time.
What games do you play?
We play hide and seek.
What do you learn in math?
I learn numbers and shapes.
Do you draw pictures at school?
Yes, I love drawing.
What do you eat for lunch at school?
I eat rice and chicken.
Who do you sit with?
I sit with Laura.
Do you have homework?
Yes, I have English homework.
When does school finish?
At 3 o'clock.
How do you feel after school?
I feel happy and tired.
Do you say goodbye to your teacher?
Yes, I say goodbye, teacher.
What do you do after school?
I eat a snack.
What's your favorite snack?
I like cookies.
Do you rest after school?
Yes, I rest for a while.
Do you watch TV?
Sometimes I watch cartoons.
Do you play with your friends?
Yes, I play football outside.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Laura.
Do you help your parents?
Yes, I help clean my room.
What do you do in your room?
I read and draw.
Do you do your homework?
Yes, I do it before dinner.
What subject is your homework today?
It's English and math.
Who helps you with homework?
My mom helps me.
Do you listen to music?
Yes, I like happy songs.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Do you water the plants?
Yes, I water them every day.
Do you feed your pet?
Yes, I feed my cat.
What's your cat's name?
Her name is Mimi.
Do you like drawing?
Yes, I draw animals.
What do you use to draw?
I use crayons.
Do you like to read books?
Yes, storybooks are fun.
What's your favorite story?
The Clever Rabbit.
What time do you eat dinner?
I eat dinner at 7 o'clock.
What do you eat for dinner?
I eat rice and soup.
Do you eat with your family?
Yes, all together.
What do you talk about at dinner?
We talk about our day.
Do you help clean the table?
Yes, I help my mom.
What do you do after dinner?
I take a shower.
Do you brush your teeth at night?
Yes, before sleeping.
What pajamas do you wear?
I wear blue pajamas.
Do you read before bed?
Yes, I read a storybook.
Who reads with you?
My dad reads with me.
Do you like bedtime stories?
Yes, they are fun.
What story do you like most?
The Little Cat and the Moon.
Do you feel sleepy now?
Yes, very sleepy.
Do you say good night to your family?
Yes, I say, good night, everyone.
What do you dream about?
I dream about flying.
Is your room quiet?
Yes, it's very quiet.
Do you sleep with the lights on?
No, I turn them off.
What sound do you hear at night?
I hear crickets.
Do you sleep well?
Yes, I sleep very well.
What do you say before sleeping?
Good night and sweet dreams.